Welcome back to Limited Slip Racing. Today we're going to install the lift plate that I was talking about last time. Actually, I've already put it on and I've hand tightened the bolts down to the engine block. Well, here it is, the lifting plate from Massive. It's made of 3/16" steel. It's got came with all the bolts and washers. What I wasn't able to show you was I actually had to remove the coolant neck right here. Kind of looks like a baby thermostat housing, but it's not. This is the coolant neck, and also a tube going into the heater hose for the heater hose. Goes in right here. All I really did was pop these two tabs, and the thing comes right out. Had one retaining bolt. Coolant neck had two. Both of them were about the same size. This, as you can see, maybe not, was longer, had a longer bolt. I stuck them all in plastic bags and we're ready to go. What we're going to do is we're going to, per specs from Massive, is torque these things down to 11 foot-pounds. They said be very careful. This is going into an aluminum block, so be careful, don't over tighten them. So we set our torque wrench to 11 foot-pounds already. It's a click type, so we should just get a click when they're ready. And there it was. Do her again. There it was. There it was again. Okay, 11 foot-pounds is 10 is the lowest this wrench goes. So there it went. After torquing things like the lug nuts to 100 pounds, this just doesn't hardly seem to be anything. They said that the lifting plate will hold up to 1,000 pounds. Well, this motor undressed is 444 pounds. And the transmission is 216, so we should be well within our weight limits. And that's it. The installation and torquing of the Massive lift plate. One thing I forgot to mention when I was putting up my tools is you always need to remember to zero out your torque wrench. Leaving that thing tightened to a specific range can really damage your torque wrench, can make the torque wrench unreliable as far as the torquing values are concerned. So remember, always zero out your torque wrench.